Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Robinhood. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Robinhood as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.82. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 12.99% since we first recommended purchasing Robinhood 4 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.25% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further increases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 2.45% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 23.94% to positive 39.74%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of 109.23%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 60.21% and 198.6% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price falling between $77.48 and $144.14. Our latest daily update for Robinhood includes the headline, Robinhood stock price up more than 9.02% on Monday. The Robinhood stock price gained 9.02% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025. It rose from $44.36 to $48.36. This marks an impressive 4-day winning streak. It will be interesting to see whether the stock continues to gain or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.27%, with a low of $46.10 and a high of $48.99. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 35.73% over the past 2 weeks. Moreover, volume also surged on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 51 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $2.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $66.08, while the lowest price was $13.98. Currently, the stock price is 26.82%, or $17.72, below the 52-week high, and 43.11%, or $36.64, below the all-time high on the 4th of August, 2021, when the price peaked at $85. Robinhood Markets, Incorporated, traded under the ticker symbol HOOD, is currently facing significant scrutiny due to multiple investigations related to potential violations of federal securities laws. Recent announcements from Levi & Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP indicate that these investigations have been initiated following a significant penalty of $29,750,000 imposed by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, commonly known as FINRA, for failing to address clear misconduct red flags. These developments are likely to create short-term volatility for HOOD's stock price. As the investigations begin, investor sentiment may turn negative, leading to increased selling pressure on the stock. The ongoing legal challenges can also amplify uncertainty regarding the company's operational integrity and long-term growth potential, causing concern among both current and prospective investors. Nonetheless, it is important to highlight that Robinhood has recently reported strong earnings, which may provide a glimmer of hope amid this turmoil. Despite a sharp decline from its all-time highs, the stock surged by 13% over the past week, suggesting that some investors may view this as an opportunity to buy at a lower price. Analysts are monitoring the potential for a recovery, dependent on market conditions, particularly with a possible cut in interest rates from the Federal Reserve on the horizon, which could facilitate a broader market recovery. In the long run, however, the investigations represent a significant risk that could affect Robinhood's reputation and operational viability. If the allegations are proven true, they could lead to additional financial penalties and damage to the company's reputation, which may deter investment and adversely impact stock performance. Therefore, while there might be short-term buying opportunities, the overarching legal challenges could overshadow the company's prospects for recovery. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned Hood a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Hood an overweight rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Hood an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Hood a market perform rating with an initiate action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Hood an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by 35.73%. Further increase is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near short-term development. The Robinhood stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $48.89. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $42.93. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a dip below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall trend. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 47 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average reflected a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 18 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 129 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood finds support from accumulated volume at $46.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.89 between its high and low, which is a 6.27% change. For the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 7.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This level of PE ratio is relatively normal, often seen in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of May, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 36 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $48.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Robinhood encounters its first support level at $46.22. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of March, 2025, pinner Jeffrey Tzvi executed an insider sale of 5,853 shares of Class A common stock. On the 4th of March, 2025, Quirk Stephen M. conducted an insider sale of 14,279 shares of Class A common stock. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of March, 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. made an insider purchase of 119,839 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of March, 2025, Gallagher Daniel Martin Jr. also conducted an insider sale of 57,883 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we observe that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 33.423. In total, insiders have purchased 5,901,525 shares and sold 12,094,519 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $46.45, reflecting a decline of 3.94%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which entails a higher level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Robinhood displays several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of March, we anticipate Robinhood will open lower by approximately 543 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $47.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to assume responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.